Hello everybody. So today we're gonna talk about how to add headless commerce in Shopify Plus. So there are three methods. Method number one is employ the storefront API. The Shopify storefront API is a GraphQL based API, a query language for APIs. It enables businesses to connect the front end of their website to the back end of Shopify, facilitating easy access to data and e-commerce functionalities. Therefore, businesses can use the storefront API to create unique and personalized customer experience across various digital channels. Method number two, utilize Shopify Hydrogen solution. The Shopify Hydrogen plus Oxygen solution, introduced in 2021 and designed for large enterprises implementing headless commerce with Shopify Plus. Specifically, Hydrogen is a React-based framework, a popular framework for building user interfaces, enabling businesses to construct unique and visually appealing storefronts. On the other hand, Oxygen is a global hosting solution capable of storing customer content. Shopify Oxygen is backed by Shopify's infrastructure with 100 server locations positioned worldwide. You don't need to worry about finding the third-party hosting provider or managing technical issues. Method number three, leverage the commerce component solution. The third method to adapt headless commerce with Shopify Plus is by using Shopify's latest solution, Commerce Components. This is a modular component tech stack development by Shopify specifically for large enterprises aiming to build headless e-commerce websites. Shopify Commerce Components offer 30 components encompassing core features across various business aspects such as cart, checkout, data, shipping, and more. You can integrate these components based on deployment needs to create a customized solution for your headless Shopify website. Since its launch, many world-leading businesses, including Mattel, JB Hi-Fi, Glossier, Coty, Steve Madden, Spanx, Staples, have utilized this new tech stack from Shopify. Thanks for watching.